So we are building a shed, like a watchman's shed for the rowing club. And there's going to be a line that goes across there to shoot through here so that they know that the rowers are lined up. And then they're going to have a camera above, and this is where they sit.
Well, I'm in charge of the build here at Henley Regatta. Pretty well, we came up with the design. Manuel up on the roof had helped us with the design. We put something on paper, sent it to them, and the students would come do the work. So they've been involved from day one. They helped do all the framing, everything up to the roof, and they've been here ever since. They've been awesome.
Because of our tight working relationship with the NHBA, we were able to meet, scope out the work initially, get to a yes or no quickly, which we did. We got to a yes, and then set up a committee and then get to work. We understood the importance of this structure. It's critical to ensure that these races are handled properly. There's a structure at the finish line, there's a structure at the starting line. If we're going to host the World Rowing Championships at a world-class facility, our students had to build a world-class structure, and they did.
The program teaches you a vast variety of stuff at the college. It teaches you drywall, framing, tiling, flooring, stairs. All of it's good experience. Teachers are fantastic, props amazing. Everyone here is very nice. I believe it's really nice to have the diversity in our college, because when you go there in the field, we are working with as well multiple different cultures, and you're not sure who you're going to work for, right? So you get an introduction of how to work with people and their techniques and how they speak and how they interact.
See, this was a great experience for them because this was some actual real life construction experience. Get them on site, get them used to working, get them used to seeing how things go together, see how the problems are solved, see what it takes to get the job done, essentially.
I heard firsthand from these students and saw them at the opening of this, the ribbon cutting. They were over the moon. They used words like legacy, and they were as proud as can be with regard to being able to, years from now, point at something and say, I built that.
I just like working with my hands, and to see something go from just a pile of lumber to this massive structure, it's just interesting.